Happy Valentine's Day to everybody. How are you guys doing today? Welcome back. First time viewers, subscribers. If you're curious, thank you for watching this. Today I decided to have it tilt a bit because, as we discussed before, the panel showing towards the east leads to the main bank, which is in the bedroom. And these panels I had it tilted a bit because I actually want to have it permanently set for winter time, because it's a rainy season, so sun is even playing hide and seek today, but I'll get it with that time in that area. It's not really windy now, so if things go according to plan, I might catch the sunlight right over there. So winter time the sun is more towards the north, given that we're located in the southern part of Africa. So the way the whole plan basically is to ensure that these panels, as I mentioned before, have it aimed perfectly towards winter, because summertime it's more more than enough. I have a sneaky suspicion that the reason why these panels are turning slightly yellow is because the gauge or the thickness of the copper strand that I'm using is too thin. It's just a theory. It doesn't make the panels look nice. I hate it, but there are plans to definitely have that wire moved from a 2.5 millimeter multi-thread copper up to at least a 4 millimeter multi-thread. So yeah, that's about it. See you guys in the next one.